I'm always looking for ways to save time, and in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to make an omelette. No washing up needed. Now, I love eggs. Not only do they taste great, but they're also very rich in vitamins and minerals. Eggs are also really good for your eyes, brain, heart, and bones. Now, eggs also contain biotin, which is good for your hair, skin, and nails. Eggs are also great for weight loss, and they're also very affordable and versatile. Now, the protein found in eggs is also of very, very high quality, with almost 100% of that protein being absorbed by the body. Compare that to some other foods, such as beans or rice, and only about 50% of the protein gets absorbed by the body. Now, let's take a look at the fastest way to make an omelette. Now, most people cook eggs using a pan on the stove, and there's nothing wrong with that. It is a relatively quick and easy way to make eggs, but I do it a different way. So what I do, I grab a bowl, I put down some baking paper in the bowl, and crack open a couple of eggs into the bowl. Grab a fork, and I beat the eggs. But I do this very carefully to make sure that I don't tear the baking paper. Now, once the eggs are mixed, I'll throw in some parmesan cheese, maybe about a teaspoon, and either some shredded tasty cheese or shredded romano cheese for a bit of extra punch. I'll also throw in a bit of black pepper, great for the immune system. Now, once everything's been added, I'll then give the eggs one final mix before placing them uncovered into the microwave. Now, cooking time is going to vary depending on which microwave you use and also how generous you are with the shredded cheese, but expect it all to be done in about 1.5 minutes. The omelette really does turn out great this way. There's no oil needed, and there's no need to wash an oily pan, and you don't even need to wash the bowl because the baking paper prevents the bowl from getting dirty. Now, cooking an omelette this way is so simple that you'll find that you'll be eating eggs a lot more often, which is great for your overall health. Now, a few extra tips regarding the microwave. Firstly, you should never ever put a plastic container in the microwave. Even if it's so-called microwave safe or BPA free, certain chemicals from the container can be transferred to the food, and definitely not advisable. So never put a plastic container in the microwave if you want to be healthy and safe. Also, always stand back from the microwave when it's being used. Now, modern microwaves are quite safe. They have good seals. But just for your safety, it is better to always stand back from the microwave. Don't put your face right at the door. Even though it is tempting to see how the food's going, stand back at least a meter away or 2 meters away. But I like to stay multiple meters away. Also, one other tip, you should never microwave a hard-boiled egg. They can explode, and just don't ask me how I know. I hope you found these tips helpful. Let me know in the comment section your favorite type of cheese to use when making an omelette. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and also consider subscribing to the channel. It is free to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.